Alright guys, so this is just a quick supplementary video to my review of the Magicshine ALLTY1500S. It turns out that I was completely oblivious to the app integration that this light has, which is kinda hilarious as it's such a huge feature. And I thought I'd keep this as a separate video rather than adding it into the first one, as app integration might not be for everyone, whereas I think the light itself definitely is. So here's a quick rundown of the app and the added functionality that it gives the light. So the app is simply the Magicshine app available in the Android store. I would imagine it's available on the iTunes one as well, but I'm an Android user, so I guess that's up to you guys to find out. So let's check it out. This is my first time starting up this app, so let's hope that I can get it right. Let's add a new device. Okay, Magicshine bike light. Add that. Connect the device. All right, ALLTY1500S, scene 1. Okay, so once we've got the light added, it takes us to this section where we have scene 1. I believe you can add different scenes that you can switch between, but for now we're going to just stick to the one. So if I hit add, I can add a level, and you can see it's at 10% right now. If we tap over here, you can see it gets brighter. You can set it to 100%, 1%, anywhere in between. So let's say we want this, where do we want this, like 10%? Okay, now we can add another level. We can set this one to 100%. And then it's very simple to just switch between these. Now at the bottom of the screen here, you'll also see another 3 buttons. One's SOS, one's this little lightning bolt, and one's this other icon. And those are just the flashing modes. So I guess the SOS is flashing SOS in Morse code, which is pretty fun. Might be useful, or you would hope that you don't need to use this one. The lightning bolt is just this sort of pulsing flash. And then this other one is a bit of a more solid kind of flash. So you'll see in the top right corner, underneath the temperature and the battery charge, there's 2 little switches here. Now the one on the left, I have discovered, is a light sensor. So you have, this will toggle between day mode and night mode. So for example, right now, I guess it thinks that it's day mode, so it's got the light on very low, just like sort of a added visibility on the road. And if I cover the light, you'll see it gets brighter for night mode. Now that's a feature that I would actually use. This app stuff isn't really my bag, but that genuinely is a really useful feature to have. Now next to that first switch, we'll see this other one, which has like a little, it looks like a little clock on it, like a little dial. So what I believe this is some sort of speed detection. Either the light links to your phone or it has a gyroscope, or I'm not really sure how it works. But I believe as you get faster on the bike, the light will get brighter. So we're not going to test that right now, but it's a nice feature to have. Okay, so you can go on and on and on with this app, as well as just having one scene, you could have multiple. So an example I've seen is perhaps you can have one scene set up for road and one set up for mountain, or one set up for day and one set up for night, or whatever you want. All in all, this is a really cool functionality for a light to have. I'm not sure if most people are going to need this, but it does offer some customization that you don't get without it, such as the day or night mode.